Welcome to the wonderful world of picking this Brinks stainless steel padlock. If you want a good giggle, keep watching. It's only 5p, but it's an interestingly funky ride. So, once you get started, it's like you have to keep picking it. So, one, so full set. So off we go again. 1, 2 for a rotation. To the front pin again. Back in, back in. Okay, keep a pin. Into rotation. It's a great fun peg. Is it frustrating? Not really. Is it fairly scrappy? Well, yes, but at the end of the day, it's also good fun because you go back and forth and back and forth till eventually it opens. I'll admit this zone padlock gives me more trouble than any of the other zones I own, but yeah, it actually makes this more fun. There we go. Like I said, it's a back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, click, 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 click. Feels like I've got to pick this about 6 times. I'm probably doing something majorly wrong with it, but I like it. It's fun. I hope it wasn't too dull for everyone watching, and take care.